wonder if those dogs are still roaming free. Nope, it looks like they're homeward bound. They must have found their owner. Hey, good morning, what's up guys, and welcome. This is John's Moto Garage. This is where we buy, ride, and sell motos. Today we're going to take the 2014 Yamaha Star Bolt for a ride. If you haven't already, check out, I do a walk around of the bike and also where I actually pick it up. But 2014 Star Bolt 950cc. This thing's got the Python exhaust, Canon air filter. It's got the gators here. And otherwise pretty much stock. Oh, of course you got the dope mini apes and the awesome flame rearview mirror. Let's start her up and hit the road. Alright you guys, let's not waste any time. We'll jump right into it. I'll go over what I paid for the bike, how much I think it's worth, and then I'll do a quick review on the Yamaha Star Bolt, my impressions, my opinions on the motorcycle. So this bike I picked up, I found it on OfferUp, but I had seen it on Craigslist prior. The guy had been trying to sell it over the course of multiple months. He just did a horrible job marketing it. Anyway, he had it listed for $3,500, which is already a steal for this bike, even at that price. Very good buy. I offered him $3,000. He countered at $3,250, to which I replied and said, yeah, let's go ahead and do it. $3,250?
Yes, sir.
Check out my video. I'll put a link below where I pick up the motorcycle. The deal almost didn't go through. The Cardinals were playing. It was a Sunday, and the dude almost didn't even want to have me come check it out because he said he was going to be glued to the TV for 2.5 hours. That's the first time that had happened to me. Couldn't believe it. But ended up being a real cool dude. We picked up the bike. We got the title stuff sorted out. He didn't have it notarized the day of, but he dropped it off the next day. Now, value right now in the market, these things will go for anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000. You got a lot of them listed right in that $45,000 to $5,000 price range. So in order to sell this fast, you can undercut the competition. Listed around $43,000 to $43,500, and you should be able to sell it pretty dang fast. And that's actually why I'm doing this video, because I got some dude coming down from northern Arizona this afternoon with the trailer. Supposedly, we'll see if it pans out. And he says he wants to buy the bike. He offered me $4,000. I told him I'm firm because I got a lot of interest. And I just posted it last night. Sorry guys, I couldn't help myself. I really wanted to keep this one because I love these bikes. But, you know, if I can make a couple bucks on it, it's hard to pass up. So that's the deal on the Yamaha Star Bolt. Alright, these are a 5-speed B-twin 950cc, air-cooled, fuel-injected, belt drive. This one comes with the mini apes, which are aftermarket, and again, this awesome flame rearview mirror, which I think is pretty hideous. The bobber is Yamaha's answer to the Iron 883. These things were first released back in 2014. I thought they looked awesome. I love just the old school classic look. Slim down, you don't have any of the extra nonsense on this motorcycle. They're complete blast. Pretty zippy. Just quick, fun little bikes to ride around. This is your cruiser or your bobber. It's not your boulevard cruiser. You're not going to be going on long trips. Not that I couldn't do a long road trip. You can pull it off. You're just not going to be that comfortable. As of late, I've been watching YouTube videos of dudes doing like gnarly wheelies on these things, stock, all kinds of crazy stuff. But all in all, just very fun, enjoyable bike to ride. Perfect beginner bike. And then even if you have experience and know what you're doing, man, those dogs are just running wild. Even if you have experience and know what you're doing, it's just a fun bike to have and add to the collection. So 2 thumbs up, you guys. 2 thumbs way up for the Yamaha Star Bolt. And I'm not partial to motorcycles. I'm not a Yamaha guy. I'm not a Harley guy. I'm not a Honda dude. If I like the bike, I'll let you know. And if I don't dig it, then I'll let you know as well. Oh, one thing I left out. So mini apes. I'm not a fan on this particular bike how they look. However, they're not uncomfortable. Riding wise, position wise, they're actually not bad at all. I used to hate ape hangers in general, but I've owned many a bike with ape hangers and they've actually grown on me. So I can definitely dig the ape hangers on the right bike. Again, this bike, yeah, not really my style. And then as far as the Python exhaust, nice deep throaty look. I don't really dig the slip-on look. I just don't think it looks all that clean. It almost looks kind of hacksawed together. But I like how it sounds. It's got that deep throaty sound to it. And so that part I dig on the Python exhaust. Oh, I guess we don't do every other here. You guys see this? See how it's starting to get a little wobbly? That wasn't horrible, but I think at a little bit faster speeds, you might get some of that wobble going on. Like this. Yeah, there you go. You guys see that? Woo, that's sketchy. Stand-up test, I think it stands up pretty nice. Those mid controls are much better for standing up. Alright, there you have it, you guys. Rolling back into John's Moto Garage. Thanks for tuning in. If you dig the content, like and subscribe, and we will hit you guys up on the next one. Nos vemos.